Ito na yung hinihintay nyo guys, meron na naman tayong new arrival na Explorer. Sariwa yan, as usual, I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Another day, another unit na naman. So meron tayong new arrival dito. 2015 Ford Explorer natin, 2.0 liter EcoBoost automatic transmission. Guys, napakasariwa nitong coaching to. Exterior ways tayo, fresh original paint, naka-keyless entry ka. At kapag nakalimutan mo yung susi mo, meron kang keypad dito. Siyempre, meron kang automatic side mirrors at 20 inches wheels at makakapal ang gulong niya. At sa pinakaharap niya guys, meron kang day running light, protect your headlights, fog lamps, at napakapoging Ford Explorer grille at 6 ang ending. At sa pinakaloob niya guys, meron tayong dual panoramic sunroof at syempre, naka-heated and ventilated leather seats ka na automatic seats na yan. May touch ng wood ka dito, well-designed na dashboard, infotainment system, climate control, may power outlet ka dito, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders at center console. At sa driver side naman guys, napaka-fresh na steering wheel ito. May mga controls ka dito with cruise control, wala siyang paddle shifter, analog and digital display with 49,000 kilometers on the clock only. At syempre, meron tayong 2 vanity mirrors on both sides at may sunshade holder ka. At sa second row naman, kailangan ko ba sabihin guys kung gaano ako comfortable dito kasi maluwag yung legroom, may headroom yan. 5'10" na height ko, may air vents ka dito, climate control with power outlets at may 2 cup holders ka rin. At syempre, may armrest ka rin pala dito with 2 built-in cup holders. At sa third row naman, surprisingly guys, maluwag yung legroom, may headroom nito. At syempre, may air vents ka dito at cup holder storage space on both sides. At sa pinakalikod niya guys, meron kang napakapoging wing dito with napakapoging stock taillights with chrome garnish at reverse camera sa gitna. At guys, meron din pala yung rear sensor dito. At sa trunk space niya, na automatic tailgate na to. At syempre guys, it's a 7-seater SUV at guys, napakaluwag ng trunk space yan at napakalinis. At guys, check nyo pala to, naka-automatic na pala yung third row seat ito at dito mo siya kukontrolin. Napakaangas no, may ganyan ba yung kotse nyo? Kaya bili mo na tong kotseng to. Kaya kompleto yun ng tools, spare tire, and jack. At sa engine na guys, it's a 2.0 liter EcoBoost turbocharged gasoline engine, automatic transmission. At syempre, yung ride nito guys, napaka-comfortable yan para ka talagang VIP. At syempre, elegant na elegant yung datingan mo. At syempre, sa kondisyon na maano yan, napakasariwa na to. Magdala ng scanner mekaniko para ma-assure mo. Kaya guys, kung naghahanap ka ng affordable na SUV at syempre mukhang elegante at magmumukha ka talagang mayaman, ito na yung perfect car para sa'yo. So this is the 2015 Ford Explorer natin, 2.0 liter automatic transmission. Kaya ang gusto mo tong coaching to, for only 695,000 only, mauuwi mo na itong Ford Explorer natin na napakasariwa with 49,000 kilometers only. At syempre guys, open tayo for cash, trade-in, and financing. Sa financing natin, napaka-basic niyan guys. 1-day approval tayo at napaka-basic lang ng requirements natin. At syempre, pag cash, mas basic para alam bumili lang candy sa tindahan mo. At syempre guys, we have all over 50 units dito sa Darsgen. At kakasold na ng isang unit natin. At syempre, huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa, i-reserve na ng coaching to, baka maunahan ka pa. Thank you guys, peace out.